So this morning we'll be seeing how to use split with the app on our phone. Okay, so first off, let's come to function, whatever keyboard you're using. Turn off the local. Right, what's the best way to get to local? Very fast. Yes, good. Enter, turn it off first so that we won't be getting sound from the keyboard. Okay, secondly, let me connect the cable that came from the keyboard directly to the phone. Right, so I just connected that. Okay, right, use Ntrack driver. Okay, if it brings up anything, let's see. Okay, so audio output, I turn it to my keyboard so that I can get sounds, then click OK. All right, so you come to this plus. So instrument, so this time I won't be using the sound on it, I'll be using the sound, external sound, some of the external sounds you'll be getting. So if you've not used anyone before, come to import a sound font and then use it. But I already imported the motif, so I'll put it there, right there. So we have of course, right. So now if you want to use split, see what you do. Your local is off, right? But turn on the split on your keyboard and then you still get that split, right? So you still get that split, right? So you still get that split on your keyboard. So and then right, you can see that the split started from this side. Okay, so that's how to split on this app. All right, thank you. Follow for more.